Hello and Happy New Year! Welcome back to Tech Jungle. Today, we're diving into the latest Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, uncovering some incredible tips and tricks to elevate your experience with these devices. Whether you've just unboxed your Pixel 8 or you're a seasoned Pixel user, these hacks are for you. First up, let's talk about personalization. With Android 14, customizing your lock screen has become a breeze. You can switch out the clock style, add quick action buttons, and even include a stylish weather graphic. Simply long press the home screen, tap Customize Lock Screen, and explore the options to make your Pixel truly yours. Did you know? The enhanced Face Unlock feature now allows you to make NFC payments securely. Thanks to the advancements in machine learning and the Tensor G3 chip, your Pixel 8 can authenticate mobile payments with just your face. It's simple. Activate Face Unlock, add your card to Google Wallet, and enjoy convenient, secure transactions. Navigating through apps gets smoother with predictive back gestures. Activate this feature in the developer options to visualize where your back gesture will take you next, avoiding accidental home screen returns. Head to Settings. About Phone. Build number, tap 7 times. Developer options, predictive back animations, and toggle it on. Enter the realm of creative photography with Magic Editor. Powered by the Tensor G3 chip, this AI tool in Google Photos lets you reposition, resize, and alter objects in your photos. Change lighting, backgrounds, and more, giving your pictures a personalized touch exclusive to Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Android 14 introduces a nifty feature, seamless drag and drop between apps. Hold an item while switching between apps, effortlessly copying and pasting content without touching buttons. It's already enabled, so try it out by holding content with one finger and navigating to another app with a different finger. Group Photos Made Perfect. Best Take, an evolved version of Top Shot, lets you manually select faces from multiple shots. No more blinking or awkward expressions. Choose the best faces from different frames to create that flawless group picture. For added convenience, if your lock screen PIN has 6 or more digits, enable the autoconfirm feature. After entering the final digit, your phone instantly unlocks, skipping the need to confirm the PIN again. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy, Device Unlock, Screen Lock to activate this time-saving option. Last but not least, Pixel 8's Audio Magic Eraser works wonders for videos. Powered by the Tensor G3 chip, it identifies background noise layers, allowing you to remove unwanted sounds, keeping the focus on your video's subject. It's exclusive to Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro for a pristine audio experience. And there you have it, 8 incredible tips and tricks to unlock the full potential of your Google Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Pixel-related content. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech insights.